So we lose track of why we have businesses, right? They're supposed to be pretty. Why do I have a website? It's supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to, give you credibility. It's all these other kind of things when it's really about making more sales.
It sounds like you need to understand what you're doing, have an idea of the roadmap to use to get to where you're trying to go, and have a clear understanding.
I'll answer it for you a little bit more clearly. Be crystal clear on the outcome. Right? So if I have a janitorial company and I've got somebody that's going to clean the toilet, and then I have somebody that manages the building, and then I have somebody that manages the portfolio, and then I have somebody that manages the managers, I have somebody that's ordering supplies, and I have somebody managing the trucks. I have another division of light, small construction. I have another one, high-rise windows. I need to understand what the outcome is. Right? So you break it down to the ridiculous and you say, okay, the outcome is, for instance, if you're doing videos or you're doing marketing for somebody, what is the outcome of the work that you do? The outcome is a lead that the company that you're creating it for can close for new business. It's not to make it pretty. It's not to be fancy. It's not to all that other kind of stuff. I mean, I watched a guy sit with a white wall behind him on a shitty little chair and make a video on telling people how to best door knock for a company that did, I think they did, what was it? Oh, alarms, right? He did that video, and the guy sold like $3 million of his video because the content was awesome.
Right.
It did what it was supposed to do. It taught the people how to make more money in their company by doing door knocking, right? So we lose track of why we have businesses, right? They're supposed to be pretty. Why do I have a website? It's supposed to be pretty. It's supposed to, give you credibility. It's all these other kind of things when it's really about making more sales.